What if I told you there's a single ETF that could 10x your portfolio in just 5 years? Now before you roll your eyes, this isn't some random penny stock or crypto gamble. This is a legitimate, regulated fund backed by some of the most powerful trends shaping the next decade. But here's the thing, most investors have never even heard of it. So in this video, I'm breaking down KeyCap 1, the secret ETF flying under the radar, KeyCap 2, the megatrends driving its growth, KeyCap 3, the realistic risks and how to manage them, KeyCap 4, and finally, how I'd personally invest if I wanted to 10x in 5 years. Because in investing, the biggest opportunities usually hide in plain sight. The illusion of safe investing, let's be honest, most investors stick with safe options. Index funds, bonds, maybe a blue chip dividend stock or two. And while those are great for preserving wealth, they rarely build it fast. If your portfolio grows 7% a year, you'll double your money in about 10 years. But if you want true financial freedom faster, you need exposure to asymmetric growth. That's where the right ETF, at the right time, can change everything. Wealth isn't built by avoiding risk, it's built by understanding it. Warren Buffett, what makes an ETF explosive? So what makes an ETF capable of massive growth? 3 things. KeyCap 1, industry megatrends, ETFs built around technology, AI, green energy, or data infrastructure are benefiting from trillion-dollar shifts. KeyCap 2, smart management, actively managed ETFs that adapt fast, outperform traditional passive funds. KeyCap 3, early adoption curve, the best returns come before the mainstream catches on. The best time to invest was yesterday, the second best time is today. Old investing proverb, the secret ETF. So let's talk about the ETF that checks all these boxes. While I can't give financial advice, I can highlight an ETF that fits the profile of a potential 10x performer. Let's call it ETFX. ETFX focuses on AI infrastructure and data innovation. We're talking companies like NVIDIA, AMD, ASML, TSMC, and the next generation of AI software firms. Why it matters? Every major industry, from healthcare to banking, is now powered by data and automation. That's what ETFX invests in, the backbone of the AI revolution. Exponential rise of AI market growth, from $200 billion to $1.5 trillion projected by 2030. If AI continues to grow at this pace, ETFX could easily outperform the S&P 500 by 5 to 10x within the next decade. The power of compounding. Let's run the numbers. If you invested $10,000 and it compounds at 40% per year, which is what early AI or tech ETFs have achieved in their best years, you'd hit nearly $100,000 in 5 years. Even at 30% annual growth, you're still at $37,000. That's the magic of exponential compounding. Compounding is the 8th wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. Albert Einstein, the risks you can't ignore now. Let's be real, explosive ETFs also mean higher volatility. They don't just go up. They crash, correct, and test your patience. ETFX could fall 30 to 50% in a bad year. That's the trade-off. But volatility isn't the enemy, emotion is. If you can hold through the noise, diversify wisely, and stay consistent, volatility becomes your greatest ally. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Warren Buffett, how I'd invest if I were building a 10x portfolio today. Here's how I'd do it. 60% in broad market ETFs for stability, 30% in growth ETFs like ETFX, 10% in speculative or innovation ETFs. I'd automate contributions monthly, ignore short-term dips, and review once a quarter. This way, I'm capturing growth without gambling everything. The future outlook. The next 5 years will redefine what safe investing even means. We're entering an era where innovation is the new stability. Quantum computing, clean tech, these aren't buzzwords anymore. They're the foundation of the new economy. ETFs isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-rich-smart plan. The question isn't whether this ETF will 10x your portfolio. It's whether you will be ready when the opportunity arrives. Because every market crash, every innovation wave, every bull run, rewards the same kind of investor. The one who learns, adapts, and acts before the crowd. You can't predict the future, but you can prepare for it. Subscribe for more wealth insights.